Okay, I'm on the top of my engine looking at the EGR cooler. Okay, it's this long metal thing, goes under this pipe here, all the way to the back. Had a few issues with it, okay? As it turns out, these bolts, this bracket here, you can see it there. There's 1, 2, all right, 3 bolts on that bracket that connects down into the motor. Okay, if you look at the side here, that bolt right there. Okay, if you notice, the bracket is made of some pretty sturdy steel. That's a little better than 1/8 of an inch. Really sturdy steel. And the problem was this nut here, even though it was tight, it's threaded. Okay, the bolt is threaded, and there was a ton of vibration and the threads became wore down. All right, and what would happen is that pipe right there is connected to the EGR cooler and goes down here, connects just above the turbocharger. Okay, it would crack. That pipe would break in two, and it's because the EGR cooler is vibrating. These bolts, 1, 2, 3, the threads wore out. So it's a good idea to check these. Make sure they're tight. Think about the shocks. Make sure you got good shocks, because that probably caused those threads on those bolts to wear out a little bit quicker. And they allow the EGR cooler to just bounce around and cause that pipe to break. Until I got those bolts replaced, the pipe just broke over and over and over and over again. Went to the shop about 6 times. Nobody could figure that out. So those bolts will cause you a world of problem. About $15 in bolts and several $1,000s in headaches.